Our countertop as well has been soaking for 10 minutes. We use the squeegee from the scrubby side to scrub around it, especially underneath our soap dispensers, to get any soap that may be building up in those areas. You can also catch around your sinks. It's a little difficult with some of these squeegees. I'll show you how to clean the sink in just a moment. But the scrub pad on the squeegee is a good material for scrubbing off the countertops. Once you've completed scrubbing the countertops, we squeegee those off onto the floor. Try to squeegee as much water as you can off the countertops. You're also removing any of the loose debris that may be on the countertop and putting it on the floor. You use your paper towels now and you can go over your countertop to catch any areas that you may have missed. As your paper towels start to get wet, then you can use them to scrub around your sink with the same paper towels. Being sure to clean your faucets, your handles. Again, if you find you have stains that will not come out, you can use the soft scrub located in your custodial closet. As those paper towels, go ahead and get some more. And while you're at it, you can wipe down your paper towel dispensers and your soap dispensers. As you can see, this process is very efficient. It doesn't take a lot of time. And we don't waste the resources by using a lot of paper towels that are not necessary. Now, we're not worried about the garbage cans and the diaper pails and wiping those down. They'll drip dry, as well as our walls, our partitions, and our toilet fixtures. All of those will drip dry. When you're completed cleaning your bathroom, you'll need to scrub and mop the floor. We use the remainder of our solution that is in our pump-up sprayer. We release the air by pulling on the red handle and unscrew the top. And we pour the remainder of our solution into our mop bucket. And then we add sufficient water in there to get about a gallon to a gallon and a half of solution is all that's needed to mop the floors. Remember that your floors have already been sprayed with your cleaning solution for disinfecting. We'll first swab the floors. That's when you'll take your mop and leave it wet and put it on your floors. And you'll start in the corner, usually around the urinals. And you use a back and forth motion to swab the floor or to scrub it. We want to scrub any loose debris that's on the floor. At this point, as you there's usually no reason to go back to your mop bucket until you scrub the whole floor. This way you're sure you cleaned it, and you already know you've had a 10 minutes of contact time for sanitizing. Then you'll go back and rinse your mop, put it in your wringer, and make one turn. We found that making one turn on the mop before you squeegee it out takes out the maximum amount of water. So now you have a dry mop, and you'll go back over your floor to pick up your solution and any remaining debris on the floor. In this step, you'll need to go back to your mop bucket often to clean your mop and wring it out again so that we're actually cleaning the debris off the floor. You'll probably need to go back to your mop bucket 4 or 5 times during this process. Once you've completed the mopping, take your mop bucket back into your custodial closet, rinse off your mop and leave it hanging to dry, clean out your bucket and put your supplies away. Leave your wet floor sign at the door until the floor is thoroughly dry.